if that's a sliding scale, so let's say you have a valuation at 6 months, and then you're having a conversation again at 12, because again, we're in a hyper growth business. There may be even volatility there where there's peaks and valleys. Those types of things, that the assets in the business, the IP, trademarks, the brand equity, the brand loyalty, your list. That's always something to keep in mind. That's sort of that. It can be that X factor in terms of what may not be obvious, but is kind of behind the scenes and is an asset. If you've got a really sizable list in the beauty space, and you're gobbled up by a health and wellness brand, they can leverage that list. That list is gold to them.
Oh, totally.
So, yeah, and that can help, and that can help mitigate volatility if you're maybe experiencing a short-term decline or anything like that. So things like brand equity, brand loyalty are very tough. It's always great to have a compelling story as a seller to speak to what your brand is and how it's cut through the space and how it resonates, and the story that resonates with an avatar. So you want to really kind of brush up on your advertising and marketing chops to be able to make that compelling. That may not always show up as quantifiable, but it can hedge against the volatility, especially in Amazon. I mentioned that because that can be the nature of our space. You could have a listing go down, and all of a sudden, I'm out, $10,000 $10,000 in a day. And it's like, okay, geez, like, that's really detrimental to me having conversations with, hey, come buy my business. It's not volatile, I promise. They see this drop in performance, but those types of things that are tried and true of a solid business and our value and assets can help hedge and mitigate some of that.